Hi, my name is Michele Roberts, and I am just truly, sincerely honored to be a part of this project. The CS Principles Project is a revolution. It hopefully will just continue to gather steam, and I am humbled to be a part of it. One of the many wonderful things about working with teachers is that when you put some teaching content out there to the teaching community, it comes back to you improved and edited and made richer. And I look forward to getting back from you improved content. In this short little introductory vignette, what I'd like to do is to cover just 3 quick things. I want to cover a little bit about me, a little bit about the pedagogy, and then finally I want to drop into the curriculum that we're going to cover. The little part about me truly will be little. I will turn out to be one of the most boring people you've ever met. I have been in computer science teaching for, I don't even want to tell you how long I've been in computer science teaching. Needless to say, I'm in the double digits. I have always been a data gal. And data is just now coming to the forefront of computer science. I hope to convey a little bit of why I think data is so germane and so important, has such a strong sense of stewardship of what, as a teaching community, we want to impart to our students. So I want to leave you with the idea of why I'm in love with data and why you should be in love with this concept of data as well. A little bit about the pedagogy. I'm committed to 2 things, and I want to talk about the pedagogy, however briefly, so that you can put my little journey with you into a little bit of context. I want to help you move your students along 2 continuum. The first is I want to help your students become stronger computational thinkers. That's what the CS Principles course is really about. It's more than getting people to program. It's more than getting people to be better at data. It's about creating this whole group of computational thinkers. And I would encourage you to go back and look at that Viewpoint article by Ms. Wing about exactly what it means to be a computational thinker, because I will refer to it as we go along. And at the end, I will revisit it to see if I've made the stepping stones clear about how to help move your students on that continuum. The second continuum that I so believe in is what I call the struggle continuum. For those of us who've been teaching computer science for a really long time, I think if we were to speak truthfully, we would tell you that we don't lose students to the semicolon. We don't lose students to the syntax. We lose students to abstraction. So I am just in awe of the amazing work that has been done to bring students into computer science, to help jazz them up, to help allay their fears and convince them that in point of fact, this is perhaps the most exciting thing they could be doing in their lives and with their lives. But I want to help also make some ideas of how you can take a student and help them stay in the struggle of thinking a little bit longer, a little bit harder before they walk away, because you know, thinking is hard. So with that in mind, let's look at what I want to cover here in this data unit. The CS Principles community has done just the most amazing job in articulating learning objectives and documenting portfolio tasks. And I'm going to hug that curriculum, and I'm going to look at the performance tasks to make sure that we will identify exiting competencies that you want your students to have. So exactly what do we need to cover to make sure that we have positioned our students in a way that they can be successful in meeting those learning objectives and in completing the portfolio task? So with that kind of in context, let's go ahead and start on the ideas that I think you need to have as fundamental building blocks to conquer this data unit.